Hello all. Last day we have talked about your integer, float and complex type of variable in your C, and we have confirmed that the complex number, the data type, that is a type function, give you the complex, but its real part or the imaginary part both are float. So it is a crucial point. You must remember it is a backbone of some complex calculations in ensuing day, especially in your power system. Today we are talk about your string, booleans and collection data type, for example list. So one by one, let's start. This is a string variable. Last day we have know how to clear this thing, clear the cell. Click on here, left click, clear the cell. This is the one option. Next option, clear all outputs to clear all the screen, or if you are a Linux user, Control Alter then P, sorry, Control Shift P, then notebook, clear all output. Let's, everything has been clear. Let's start from there. Now string means your number of character, right? They are maybe in a double quote or maybe on single quote. For example, this also another of your string, but it is a multiple line. So in that scenario we have to use the 3-1. So let's run it. So I'm taking transformer nameplate. Actually it is a step up or step down transformer. It is a definitely a string, and well is a manufacturing, and this is your model number, and this is the statement has been described at here. And look at here, this is a formatted print which already I have talked about. And now see the type function already written, it is a string. Now instead of double quote, if I use a single quote, let's what will happen, or it's throw any error or not. Let's check it. Save it. Okay, clear everything, then again run. Let's see. Yes. So in C you can either go for your double quote or you can go for your single quotation. Now suppose I have a apostrophe, then how to declare it? For example, name is equal to your, say, KYX, something like that, apostrophe S, then S. Then what should I do with this? Let's see. This is going to give any error or not. No error. So let's see how it will be printed. Print function, then name, this, run it. Yes, it is coming. Now if you give outside here the single quote, then what will happen? Let's see. That will give an error. Why? To bypass it, either you go for the double quote or you go for your this. That's mean backslash. Now rerun it. Yes, it is okay. So escape character you can give to overcome this scenario, or you can go for your double quotation mark. So in that way, this is a different type of string, and mathematical operations of the string we will talk about later on. Now the next one is your boolean. The boolean is nothing but either the variable is a true or false. It is whenever a control logic or any decision making is there, then either it is be true or false. Remember, in Python, the true and false, the first letter should be your T should be capital and F should be your capital. If it is not capital, then it throw error. Let's see what will happen. Everything come. Now the type is your bool. Bool means your boolean type of variable. Now by some mistake, if you write only true, T is your small letter, then what will happen? Now the name error, different type of error is there. So it is a name error is one of them. We once next to next someday we discuss about different type of error occur in your Python. So you always remember the true and false, these are the keyword, and that should be the capital, the must you put the capital letter in the first case. Now it is over. Now these two are done. Next day we talk about the collection type of your, their list is there and there is a tuple is there. Everything will be discussed later on.